The Patria TRACKX is a new tracked, armored personnel carrier developed by the Finnish defense company, Patria, under the multinational FAMOUS program, which is funded by the European Union, unveiled at the DSEI exhibition in London in September 2025. TRACKX is intended to replace aging platforms such as the M113 and MT-LB in many European armies, designed with lessons learned from recent conflicts, including the war in Ukraine. The vehicle emphasizes high mobility, survivability, and performance in extreme climates, particularly in cold and swampy environments. Series production is planned to begin around 2027. TRACKX is part of the European Future Highly Mobile Augmented Armored Systems, or FAMOUS, program, coordinated by Patria and involving 35 companies from 9 countries, including Finland, France, Germany, Spain, and several NATO and EU partners. The program has a total budget of approximately €132 million. Supported by the European Defence Fund, the European Commission, and participating nations, these countries not only fund the project but also help define operational requirements, ensuring that TRACKX meets real battlefield needs for future European land forces. One of the key strengths of TRACKX is its exceptional mobility. With an empty weight of around 12 tons and a payload capacity of 3.5 tons, it is relatively light for a tracked APC. During testing, the vehicle reportedly had a top speed of 88 km per hour, setting a record for tracked vehicles. Wide rubber tracks, a low center of gravity, and an advanced independent hydropneumatic suspension system allow it to operate effectively in snow, mud, forests, and soft ground, making it ideal for northern and eastern European terrain. The Patria TRACKX is designed to transport a full infantry section into combat. The driver and commander are seated in the front cockpit with excellent visibility, while the rear troop compartment can accommodate 10 fully equipped soldiers on blast-attenuating seats. Standard armor provides protection against small arms fire, with the option to upgrade the protection level to resist armor-piercing threats. This combination of protection, space, and ergonomics reflects modern APC design focused on crew survivability and comfort during long operations. As an armored personnel carrier, TRACKX is primarily intended for troop transport and support, but it is also equipped for self-defense and fire support. Its main weapon is a roof-mounted 12.7mm heavy machine gun, suitable for engaging infantry, light vehicles, and low-flying aerial threats. With high tactical and operational mobility, the vehicle is designed to keep pace with modern mechanized units, providing rapid deployment and flexible maneuver options across a wide range of combat scenarios. The Patria TRACKX represents the next frontier in tracked vehicle mobility for European armed forces. Developed through multinational cooperation and shaped by real operational lessons, it offers a modern, affordable, and highly capable replacement for legacy platforms like the M113 and MT-LB. With its high-speed all-terrain performance, modern protection, and capacity for a full infantry squad, TRACKX is positioned to become a key element of future European mechanized forces as they adapt to new security challenges and harsh operating environments.